Hi my super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel Carolina's Creations Handmade. Today I'm going to share with you my first process video for one of the ideas I share with you on my Dollar Tree Valentine's gift ideas hub. I'm going to show you how to turn that red bucket into this gorgeous bucket that you can use to make a basket to gift away for Valentine's. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click the subscribe button and also the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you haven't watched my Dollar Tree Valentine's gift ideas hub, I'm going to link to it on the top of the video and down in the description below. You don't want to miss all the ideas and giveaways. And we're going to be using a peach color acrylic paint that I got at Dollar Tree. We're also going to be using these stickers, and these are gorgeous. They're foil stickers, gold foil. And this is the bucket that we're going to alter, and it's called oval basket. And I'm going to be using also this 3M all-purpose sanding block, and this is the medium grade. You're going to make sure that you sand all over your bucket and remove all the shiny areas. I'm not going to actually sand on the handles because we're going to apply Jute Cord to it. So once you have it all sanded, make sure that you clean it so you remove any residues. And we're going to be using gesso. I'm using this Vicky Button one that I bought from Tuesday morning. And you can use any gesso you have. So I'm going to apply a coat of gesso, and here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to apply the bulk of the paint in one area, and then I'm going to use long brush strokes to spread the gesso around. Don't use force. Try to be gentle while moving your brush because you want to actually leave gesso, but you want to make sure that you spread it thin. If you push too hard, you're going to remove too much of it. And you want long brush strokes so your bucket is a little more even. And this way, we're going to have sort of a patina effect. And I just love that. So again, I'm going to use long brush strokes and I'm going to spread my gesso all around. And this is how it's going to look. So once I do the outside, I'm going to do the inside. And this is how I do it. I spread the gesso on a line at the bottom. And then I'm going to spread the paint from that line up. And that way it's going to be a little more even. It's easier for me to do it that way. You can do it anyway, it's easier for you. Maybe you want to do horizontal lines here, horizontal brush strokes. After you're done, make sure you let it dry completely. This is the most important part of this process. Now I'm going to use the paint from the Dollar Tree, and I have to let you know this paint is not very good quality. But you can still work with it and get a beautiful project. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to apply some paint and then I'm going to spread it around using long brush strokes. Make sure that you leave the gesso to dry completely. This is one of the most important steps on this process. You need to let every coat of gesso, paint and sealer to dry completely before you start a new coat. And do the same. Use gentle brush strokes, long ones, so you don't actually remove the coat of gesso that you already applied. And I only applied one coat of gesso. You may want to apply two if you want to have more even colors, but I wanted the red of the bucket to kind of like show through too, so it will give me more of the patina effect that I was looking for. So once I added the coat on the outside, I'm going to do the same on the inside. And again, I apply a little blob of paint and then I spread the paint around carefully so I don't push the gesso that I already applied into my bucket away from the areas that it's set on. This is how it's going to look. I'm already applying here a second coat of paint, and I actually did only 2 coats. Make sure again that you leave everything to dry before you apply another coat. I really love how this turned out, and I used the Martha Stewart Decoupage, and this one has a little glitter on it. If you want to use the Mod Podge from Dollar Tree, you can do the same. Just add a little glitter to it. Don't add too much. You just want to have sort of like a shine to it, but not too much. And this is how it's going to look. I love how this turned out. And so easy and super inexpensive. Now we're going to grab jute cord and we're going to grab beacon fabric tag. You can use silicone, hot silicone if you want to. To me, it's easier to work with the cold version because I don't get burned. And also, it's faster for me to work with. And you can find the jute cord at the Dollar Tree also. I make a roll as you saw in there, and it's easier for me because I can push it through the handle. I added some glue, a line of glue over there at the top, and then I place a line of the jute cord right on the glue. And I'm going to push my jute roll through the handle. After that, I'm going to apply adhesive all around the handle. And that way, my jute cord is going to remain in place, so it's going to be easier for me to work faster. So I'm going to be pushing around the jute cord and place it exactly where I want it on my handle. And then I'm going to push the jute roll inside the handle, push it through, and then run it through the other side. I'm going to be running it like this all through the end of the handle. So again, it's easier if you just make a little roll of jute like this that you can push through the handle. And this is how it's looking. Isn't it adorable? I love the touch that the jute gives to this little basket. Once I'm done, I'm going to add another line on the underside of the handle so I can finish with my jute cord and trim it. That way I will have a perfect finish. And look at how beautiful. So I left the bottom towards the end because I didn't want to mess her up, and then I'm going to finish it before I apply my stickers. Once I'm done with my basket, I'm going to grab my sticker alphabet and I'm going to grab the L out of the alphabet and the letter E. And then I'm going to place it apart, and I do it this way so I can have an idea of what space I have in between the letters, and that way I can place them evenly a lot easier. And because we left each coat to dry completely before we applied another coat and then we sealed it, we can remove the sticker if we misplace it, and it's not going to damage your basket. And you can see here I'm using a bone folder to actually make sure that the stickers adhere completely. I'm not being forceful, but I'm making sure that it's adhere. So you'll see the finishing of the basket is going to allow you to work with it without damaging it. I'm going to use again more Decoupage from Martha Stewart to place a little coat on top of the stickers that I placed to make the word love, and that way I make sure that it would last longer. And this is our finished basket. Isn't it super beautiful? This is so easy to make, and you can create a gorgeous basket that you can gift for Valentine's. I appreciate all the beautiful comments that you left on my hub video. You guys are amazing. I hope you guys like my process video and it's helpful to you. I'm going to link here to my Valentine's gift ideas playlist. Make sure you check it out for more ideas and super easy tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you so much to all of you, my super sweet crafty friends, for all your love and support. And I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.